Hello my dear students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in grammar and we are going to learn about articles. Okay, before I start the class, let me ask you, do you know what is an article is? Okay, some of you will be saying yes or no. So let me ask you one more question. What do you mean by vowel letters? Do you know which are the vowel letters? Yes, we will see. Vowel letters. Which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? These are the vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. Now, let me ask you something else. So, the letters which are not vowels, what do we call those letters? What is that letters known as? Those letters are known as consonants. What is it? Consonants. The rest of the alphabet letters, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are called consonants. Okay, so these letters are called consonant letters. A, E, I, O, U are vowel letters. The rest of the alphabet letters are consonant letters. Now, we will learn about articles. A, and the are called articles. What are called articles? A, and the. These are called articles. A and are used before singular nouns. Where are they used? They are used before singular nouns. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. What did we learn before? We learned that A, E, I, O, U is vowel letters. The rest are the consonant letters. So, it is said that A and an is used before singular nouns. A is used before a word that begins with consonant sounds. Understood? For example, a spoon, a pen, a book, a university. So, always remember A is used before a consonant sound. Do not use A before uncountable nouns. So, which means A is used before singular nouns. A is used before singular nouns and do not use A before uncountable nouns. Understood? An is used before the word starting with vowel sounds. Example, an egg, A is the vowel sound here, egg. An aeroplane, aeroplane. Understood? So, A is the vowel sound. In words like honest, R, the letter H is silent. What is it? In words like honest, R, the letter H is silent. So, the words begin with vowel sound O. Understood? So, it is an honest man. Here, an is used before honest, even though it is consonant letter H. What is the sound? The sound is O. Sound is O. So it is an honest man. Understood? Now, the next example, R. H is silent here. Okay, so an R. Okay. Next one. Uniform. We do not use an. An is wrong. Understood? Unicorn. Here the word is, the letter is U. It is the consonant sound. What is it? Consonant sound. So, we cannot use an. An is wrong. A unicorn. That is correct. A unicorn. Understood? So, when we use the article an, we should see whether it is vowel sounds, not letters. Is it clear? So, an is used before vowel sounds. Okay. So, now we will discuss the worksheet exercise given in the worksheet. So, the first exercise is fill in the blanks with articles a or an. First one, I live in dash apartment. Apartment. It is a sound. So, I live in an apartment. My friend lives in dash house. My friend lives in a house. An Eskimo lives in dash igloo. An Eskimo lives in dash igloo. Igloo. E. So, it is an igloo. But dash hole is the home for dash mouse. But a hole is the home for a mouse. Okay. Fourth one, Tom has dash cute pet rabbit. Tom has a cute pet rabbit. Fifth one, Ron feeds his rabbit dash apple a day. Apple. What is it? Apple sound is a. So, Ron feeds his rabbit an apple a day. Sixth one, dash honest man does not cheat or lie. Even though honest, the spelling is starting with H, the H letter is silent there and the pronunciation of the word is honest, and it is O is a vowel sound, so we can use the article an. An honest man does not cheat or lie. Seventh question, Mr. George is dash old friend of the family. Old. Oh. Mr. George is an old friend of the family. Eighth one, have you ever seen dash elephant? Have you ever seen an elephant? Is there dash university in your town? Is there dash university in your town? So, what is the pronunciation of the word? This university. It is consonant U. So, can we use and there? No. So, it is A. Is there a university in your town? Every child in the school should wear dash uniform. Uniform. Again, it is the consonant sound U. It is not A, or O. So, every child in the school should wear a uniform. It is A. Understood? Now, so far we learned about the article a and an. Now we will learn about the article the. Okay. The is used before a particular person, place or thing. So article the is used before a person, place or thing. Article the is used before the name of rivers, that is special names, okay. Seas and oceans. So rivers means, for example, the Narmada, the Indus. Now seas and oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Mountains, ranges, the Alps. Some countries, the United States of America. Famous buildings, the Lotus Temple, the Taj Mahal. Holy books, the Gita, the Bible. Now objects, the sun, the earth. So we will see once again. Article the is used before particular person, okay. Particular person, place or thing. It is used before the name of rivers. Example, the Narmada, the Indus. The is used before seas and oceans. Example, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Article the is used before mountain ranges. Example, the Alps. Article the is used before countries. Some countries. The United States of America. Article the is used before famous buildings. Example, the Lotus Temple or the Taj Mahal. The is used holy books, before holy books. The Gita, the Bible. Article the is used before objects, that is the sun, the earth. Okay. So that's about the using of article the. So where do we use article the? Article the is used before a particular, when we want to say something special about a person, a place or a thing. Okay. Now we will move on with the exercises on the same page. Insert article the in the correct places and rewrite the sentences. First one, have you read Mahabharata? So here Mahabharata is a holy book, isn't it? So what will be the answer? Have you read the Mahabharata? So, have you read the Mahabharata? We are saying particularly about that holy book. We are going to United States of America tomorrow. We are going to the United States of America tomorrow. Neil Armstrong was first person to step on moon. Neil Armstrong was first person to step on moon. We are saying particular. What is it? He is the first person. Many of others have gone, but he is the first person. So, Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on moon. Fourth question. We are going to see Elephanta Caves. We are going to see, it's a place, okay. It's an old monument. It is for example, famous building, if we say like Taj Mahal and all, Elephanta Caves is a place, okay, with the rocks carved. So we are going to see the Elephanta Caves. Bible has been printed in many languages. Bible is a holy book. So we should use, it is a particular name of a holy book. The Bible has printed in many languages. There is a huge dam across river Satluj. We have to use, we are saying about, particularly we are saying about a river. So, there is a huge dam across the river Satluj. We enjoyed a ride on metro in Delhi. We enjoyed a ride on the metro in Delhi. We went for a boat ride down Singapore River. So, we are telling about a river. We went for a boat ride down the Singapore River. Many people like to shop at supermarket. So, we are telling about a place. Many people like to shop at the supermarket. Did you spend all money I gave you? So we are telling about particularly something. What is it? Money. Did you spend all the money I gave you? Now fill in the blanks with suitable articles. It was the school holidays and Mom was preparing breakfast. First she turned on the tap to fill the kettle. Then she asked the children, what would you like for breakfast? Jane replied, I would like dash toast and dash cheese and dash cup of hot chocolate. So only first person is telling. So only about singular thing. So what it will be? I would like a toast and a cheese and a cup of chocolate. Kim replied, I would like dash apple pie and dash glass of milk. Dash apple pie. So what it will be? Which article it will be? An apple pie and glass of milk. Not so singular, glass of milk. So a glass of milk. Jude said, I would really love dash French fries. So she is particularly telling, I would love something. What is it? French fries. I would really love the French fries. But I don't like dash milk to drink. So she is telling about something particular that she doesn't like. I don't like the milk to drink. So I will have dash bowl of tomato soup. Singular, bowl of tomato soup. So a bowl of tomato soup. Dad looked at Mom and grinned. I think dash children want to go to dash burger shop. I think the children want to go to the burger shop. Turn off the kettle and let's have dash big treat today. Turn off the kettle and let's have a big treat today. Okay. So we will revise once again. A is used before a singular noun. It should not be used before uncountable nouns. An is used before vowel sounds. Okay, you have to see whether the word is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Is it clear? An is used before a vowel sound. The article the is used before when we are talking about a particular person, place or thing. It is also used before the names of rivers, holy books, seas and oceans, particular famous building or famous monuments. Okay, so all those are about the chapter articles. Please listen, watch the video and learn very carefully, and please learn the chapter. Check my brain is the last part in the worksheet that must be done at last once you finish writing all your notes and learning the chapter. Okay. So thank you children. Learn the chapter. See you in the next class. Thank you and bye-bye.